Hi, welcome to Furnace Mill Fishery. My name's Ed Brown. Furnace Mill is situated in the Wyre Forest, just outside Bewdley. It's signposted from all the major roads, but if you're using a sat-nav, the postcode is DY148NR. You could also visit our website for more information and directions, which is www.furnacemill.net, or give us a call on 01 299 266 777. I've made a series of short videos about the fishery, including links to each individual pool and other information. Thanks for watching, look forward to seeing you here soon.